Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the points group arrangement. For example, if we have different type of groups and points like existing, ground, or for sidewalk or for light poles, different utilities. So how we can manage it? So sometimes we have points like this too much, then we need these points to be arranged properly. So for example, if we have this red color of points and we need to manage to show description, elevation, or any kind of label, then sometime we need to turn off another points, then we can do our work easily. So for this purpose, we need to arrange our group setting that there will be no rush and we can easily manage all the groups. So in the previous video, I explained how we can create different type of groups, and now we will manage all of this group. So let me give you the example. For example, this red is our existing ground and this green is our design points or some utilities. So now, for example, I need to turn off these points because I want to work on this existing. So then we will go to the points group, and from the points group, first if you have any kind of this arrow, you can just update it. Okay, so update the points, so it will be updated. And now you can just go to this and right click property. From here you can just easily change the style, or you can go to the point level style and you can make it none now this. So if once you click on this none, then apply, now you can see these points is disappear. For example, if I need to change the point style, I can change. I want to show any elevation of this on this one, I can easily show the points kind of this. Now this is the basic style of points, you can see. And I also explain, if you want to change the text size or color, you can easily change. So you can just go to double click on this, and from here you can see information. Here is the name, journal, layout. Go to the layout. So from the layout you can easily change the color and text style, whatever you want. Also you can change x and y distance from the point. This text size you can change the x and y's distance from here, so easily you can change it from here. So apply, okay, apply, okay. Now you can see the text style is changed. So if you want to change the point style or you want to increase, so just go to the point style, double click. From here you can go to the information marker. From the marker you can easily increase the size. For example, I'm going to give this to 0.75. now you can see in the display it will be decreased. Or if you want a custom style, you can just create it like this. Here two type of three, you can just easily create any type, so it will be create like this way. Okay, this is also a way to do to arrange your point style. So click OK and then again OK. If you want to change the color for the point, you can go to display. From the display you can easily select any color from here. Okay, this is the label color. Even you can just change the label color from here if you want. So apply, okay, apply and okay. Now you can see that your point style is changed to this, and your text is also changed from here to here. So next we have this all points which is existing. If you want to do some changing for the existing, you can easily do it from here. So go to the points group, and from here you can change the style, you can change the label. For example, I'm going to show on this listing and nothing, you can easily show on this. If you want to show on this elevation, or you can show the description only, you can select the point style from here. For the point style you can change the color from here, whatever you want you can easily change from here. And you can see here, so sometimes we select this option, points, elevation and description, then we need to go to the edit. So from edit you can see here point description, point number, point elevation. For each one you can easily do change color, text size, anything you can just change from here. Let me select, I want to show on this only elevation, and next I will go to the edit, I will change the color. This color is okay for me. And next I will go to change any kind of, I want to reduce the size, just go to this edit, click on this small and go to the marker. From here you can just make it 3 or 2, and from here you can just also go to the display. From the display you can change the color. Let me select this magenta color. Okay, apply, okay, apply and okay, now you can see that your color is changed and text style is here. So the same text style, we need to change different type of text style. Go to the property, from property go to the edit, from the edit you can just even go to this option, and from here you can just select the different type of text. So you can just apply and you can change the text style from here easily. So this kind of thing you can do it easily, but remember that your font should be not in all, it should be in different groups. You can just create a different kind of group. For example, I am going to create a group for here I can just click new. I can provide to it existing, and I can include whatever point I want. So let me go to the same drawing which I already export the points here. You can see here we have different groups, left side, right hand side, center line. If I want to change any label or any size, I can just easily do it from here. So I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.